Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to connect phone internet to your laptop or PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your phone settings. So whatever type of your phone you are using, just go to your phone settings. So on getting to your phone setting, what you need to do next is to make sure you locate hotspot and tethering. So at this point here, what you need to do is to simply click on hotspot settings. Click on that. It takes you to hotspot setting details right here. Okay. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you go to password. Now you need a password from the phone that you can use to connect with the laptop. Because when we want to connect, it's going to definitely ask us about the password to the hotspot. Now, what you need to do is to simply write the password down. If your password was not be like this is because I've already changed my password. So if your password was not like this, just make sure that you write out the password that you have right here. Now, when you write the password out, next thing you want to do is to simply exit from here. Then you have to make sure you swipe down from your phone and then make sure you click on hotspot. Then you can locate hotspot turn on from your phone. This phone here, I'm using Note 30. So after you have on your hotspot, next thing you want to do is to connect the internet from phone to the laptop with the assistance of the password. So mind you, you must have write the password somewhere or you have it up here. So as a result of this, we're going to head over to PC now and see how we can successfully connect this internet from phone to PC. So let's begin. Welcome back to the PC section of this phone internet connect with laptop. What we want to do here now is to see how we can simply connect. After you know the password of your hotspot and you have turned on your hotspot from your phone, next thing you want to do is to simply come to this bottom right here where you have global icon. Just click on it. Then when you click on it, this is going to pump up. Now, since you have already turned on the hotspot, you are going to have something like this on your PC. Now, this is the name of the phone I want to connect with this internet on my laptop. What I need to do right here is to simply click on the phone name. Then this is going to pump up. Now, it will ask you to connect automatically. Make sure this is checked and simply click on connect. Now, they will ask you to enter the password. And remember, from the beginning of this video, I asked you to make sure you know your password or you write it somewhere. What I need to do right now is to simply enter the password to this particular hotspot. So I'm going to do it straight up. So I'm going to enter the hotspot password. Then you can make use of this eye icon for you to be sure the password is correlated with what you have on your phone. After you enter the password, next thing you need to do is to simply click on next. Then, do you want to allow your PC to be discovered by other PC devices on this network? We recommend allowing this on your own and network of it, but not public. What you need to do is to simply click on no. Now, the internet has been successfully connected. Now, when you come back to the bottom right here, you will notice that this is no longer a global icon. What we have right here now is Infinix Note 30 internet connection. So with that, I can be able to browse internet with my phone without any stress. So basically, this is how to simply connect your phone internet to your PC or laptop without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.